In this video I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Toyota Yaris, hatchback or sedan. So the first thing we need to do is to remove all the plastic trim that is around the radio. So take a flathead screwdriver and we need to remove all these three things. So you're gonna try to jam it between the plastic over there and pull it slightly. Open the glove box, it will be easier. And simply by pulling it out, it will unclip itself. You don't have to detach it. Same thing on the other side. Unclip this plastic. Try to pry so the clips unclips and you can put it on the side. Now the cluster bezel as well we need to remove. So you need to unclip it from the top. Use two hands. Pull it and you can remove it or leave it in that position. It does not matter. It's very easy to put it back anyway. Now it's time to remove the bezel itself with the air vents. Take two hands and pull it out. Okay, just like that it will get out, and there's no connector on this one. It was just held with those pink plastic clips. Take a Phillips head screwdriver and we need to remove these screws. There's one on the top left, one on the top right, another one on the lower left, and another one on the lower right. Pull the radio with one hand, it will come right out, and now it's time to unclip it. You see it has some connectors on the back. Each connectors have a small plastic tab. You need to push and then pull. So you see, push and pull. Do the same thing for all of them. And the antenna, you just need to pull it out. So this is it. You got your radio, and you may need to keep the metal brackets on each side if you want to install a new unit so it fits your car. These are removable with Phillips head screwdriver. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.